Hello student, chapter 4 chemical reactions when and what type part 2 types of chemical reactions. First is combination reaction, second decomposition reaction, third displacement reaction, fourth double displacement reaction, and last is oxidation and reduction reoxidation. First, combination reaction. In combination reaction, two or more substances combine to form a new substance. For example, CS plus O2G, it's CO2G. Second, 2H2G plus O2G, it's 2H2OG. Second is decomposition reactions. In a decomposition reaction, a single compound breaks down to produce two or more similar substances. The decomposition reactions take place when energy is supplied in the form of heat, electricity, or light. Electrolysis. When a substance is decomposed by passing electric current, the process is called electrolysis. 2H2O, इसे ब्रेक करेंगे, so we get 2H2 plus O2. Here the picture of electrolysis. Here cathode negative, anode positive. Thermal decomposition. When a substance decomposes on heating, it is called thermal decomposition. CaCO3, it's CaO plus CO2. Here the picture in the bottom. Photochemical decomposition. When a substance is decomposed in presence of sunlight, it is called a photochemical decomposition. AgBr, it's Ag plus Br. Photochemical decomposition is work in sunlight. Displacement reaction. In a displacement reaction, a more reactive metal displaces or removes another element from a compound. For example, Zn plus CuSO4, it's ZnSO4 plus Cu. In the above reaction, Zn is more reactive Cu, so Zn displaces Cu from CuSO4. Next, 2AgNO3 plus Zn, it's 2Ag plus ZnNO3 2. In the above reaction, Zn is more reactive than Ag, so Zn displaces Ag from its solution. Next, double displacement reaction. The reaction in which two different atoms or group of atoms are displaced by other atoms or groups of atoms are double displacement reaction. For example, BaCl2 plus Na2SO4. It's BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Double displacement reaction can be two types. First is precipitation reaction. Precipitation reactions occur when cation and anion is NaOH solution combine to form an insoluble ionic solid called a precipitate. AgNO3 plus NaCl, it's AgCl plus NaNO3. Neutralization reaction. Second part, a neutralization is a type of double displacement reaction. In the reaction, H plus and OH negative combine to form HOH or H2O or water molecules. A salt is the product of an acid-base reaction. For example, HCl plus NaOH, it's NaCl plus H2O. In the above reaction, NaCl is the salt. Oxidation and reduction reaction. This is last type of chemical reaction. Oxidation is first addition of oxygen, second removal of hydrogen. Any chemical substance following any these is said to be oxide. Reduction is removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen. Any chemical substance following any of these rules is said to be reduced. Reaction involving both oxidation and reduction process occurring simultaneously are known as redox reaction or oxidation and reduction reaction. For example, Fe2O3 plus 3CO, it's 2Fe plus 3CO2. Here is oxidation and reduction process. Oxidizing and reducing agent. An oxidizing agent is substance which oxidizes something else. A reducing agent reduces something else in the equation. The carbon monoxide is the reducing agent. Oxidizing agents give oxygen to another substance or remove hydrogen from it. Reducing agent remove oxygen from another substance or give hydrogen to it. The effect of oxidation reaction in everyday life. First is corrosion. Corrosion is a natural process which converts a refined metal to a more stable form, such as its oxide, hydroxide or sulfide. Here the picture of the corrosion. Corrosion engineering is the field dedicated to controlling and stopping corrosion. Corrosion causes damage to car bodies, bridges, iron railing, ships and to all objects made of metal, especially those of iron. Corrosion of iron is called rusting and it's a serious problem. Every year, an enormous amount of money is spent to replace damaged iron. The rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, oiling, galvanizing, anodizing, etc. Galvanization is a method of protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a thin layer of zinc. Second is rancidity, the most important cause of deterioration. Its deterioration in fats and fatty food is oxidation. Rancidification, the product of which can be described as rancidity in the process which causes a substance to become rancid, that is, having a rank, unpleasant smell or taste. Okay, chapter 4 part 2 is completed. Thank you, students.